Want to increase your sales through Facebook ads for free? I'm going to teach you how now. Alright, so step one, you set up ManyChat. Create a ManyChat account, it's 100% free. You bind it to your Facebook page. Okay, so your page that you're actually marketing with on Facebook through Facebook ads, bind it to that. Go through the initial setup, it just asks for the normal stuff. Check out their training too if you want more info. It is 100% free again. So I'm going to teach you this now, but on an ad set, you bind your post ID, okay, to the ManyChat growth tool. We allow third-party comments, and we set a time for 5 minutes after someone's commented that's going to send them a message. And what it's going to do is it's trying to encourage them to actually buy our product. And in theory, most of the time can help you get another 5-10% of sales. So if you're getting 10 sales, you might get another 1-2 sales a day max. But that's 1-2 sales for something completely free. I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright, so once you've gone through the setup, you're going to land on a page like this. I'm just using my own personal one. It is in the pro mode, but for you people, it's going to be in free mode, which is fine anyway. It'll still work the same. Okay, so what you do is you want to go down to growth tools, and you're going to have widgets. Okay, and you want to create a new growth tool, and you go Facebook comments. Okay, it is in beta because it is a bit buggy, but it is being fixed. So what you do is you choose a post. Okay, so there's two ways. You can either go select a post, and it's going to find your published posts, or you can go custom and put in the post ID. I actually recommend putting in the post ID. Which you can find through going into your ads manager, going open in Facebook ads, and then you're going to actually, you can just copy it. It's the end string, okay? After the final /, there's a long number. Copy it and paste in here, or the full URL. Actually, it doesn't matter. But I recommend it that way. I just find it's a bit more foolproof than this published post one. It's not 100% accurate. But in this case, I'm just going to use this one just to show you what I mean. Okay, so you bind it. So now it's bound. We click I confirm. We don't want to only track first level comments only. What that means is people who comment on your post, they might share, tag a friend, and the friend might respond. You want the friend who's responded to the other person to also get this as well. You don't just want the initial one, okay? Because it, in theory, can double your chances of more sales. All right. Now the other part you want to do is send it after 5 minutes. Okay, because they're going to comment, and a lot of them are going to go to your website and then purchase, but a lot of them aren't. So what you're going to do is you're going to just send them a reminder after 5 minutes and say, here you go, blah, blah. I'm going to show you how to do this now. You don't need to exclude comments. You don't need to trigger for comments, only with these keywords. We go next. Next. Thank you. So now we're going to, by default, that's a variable, so hi full name. So I put in text, you can change this around as you see fit, of course, but I put in some text that I like to put in. So in this case, hi full name, Ricky here. Thank you. Whoops. I hate when it does that as well. Thank you so much for commenting on our post. It means the world to us. So you give your own spin based on your own store, of course, and the own message you want to get, but I'm just going with this off the top of my head. We wanted to give you a gift for your kind comment. Get 5% off right now as soon as you comment. Oh my God, yes. Now, I recommend as a little tip to make the word that they comment quite a unique word, because this also will become your customer service app, and you don't want a common word like yes. Okay, because what it means is your customer service agent will be speaking to a customer and they'll be saying yes, and then it'll trigger this. You don't want that. Okay, you only want it unique for this post. Okay, so like something like, oh my God, yes, 5, or something, whatever the product is, dog collar 5. Okay, just make it something sort of unique for that post, so that the chances of someone ever actually responding with something like that, so it doesn't trigger this, is very low, because it'll trigger it for anything. Okay, oh my God, yes, to unlock your discount code immediately. Okay, thanks, Stacy, dog lovers, whatever. So I like to do it like that. It seems like a more informal message. I find that people like it more when, you know, the thanks Stacy, that at the end seems like it's an actual person rather than a bot. People aren't stupid. They know when it's a bot. So we want to try and give the illusion of when it's not, to make it not a bot. Okay, so we've gone auto response and we go next. Okay, and we leave don't send a message once they opt in. This unfortunately does not actually work well at all. This is what I did originally, so as a little tip, you don't have to go through this. Okay, so we've now done that. So every person is going to get this message, but how are they going to get the discount code? Let's find out now. Hey, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for updates. Don't forget to comment down below, crush it, to go in the competition and win one of 2 15-minute coaching calls with myself, Ricky Hayes. Congratulations to today's winners who are showing up on screen somewhere. Just comment down below. We're going to get in touch and have a 15-minute coaching call. Let's get straight back into it. All right, fabulous. So now we've done that, we have to make a keyword. Okay, and these keywords are really important because it's what triggers the event for the customer to get the message. So we're going to click new rule. So you can have up to 2 rules for free. Okay, so that's fine. So I chose the word, oh my God, yes. Right? So, oh my God, yes. But you need to type it in 3 different variants because I found a lot of the time people type it in 3 different ways. And then what you do is you need to copy it 3 times. Okay. 2 times. And what you need to do, the difference between each of these is you put them in inverted commas, okay? One in double inverted and one in single inverted, okay? I'm just gonna skip over this just to show you, just to get to the point. The reason that we do this is because how the software picks up the keyword as well as how the customer might type it, okay? So, but in both regards, we're sort of encountering for any software anomalies while also different ways customers type things. So that way we get the highest chance of it actually triggering the event so that they get the message, so they see it, so we get a purchase, okay? Make sense? So we go create keyword. We've now made this keyword. So anyone that types this to me is gonna get this. So I don't recommend doing that to my ManyChat bot, otherwise you're gonna get spammed. Okay, and I'm not deleting it. So if we go create new reply now. So if we go create new reply, okay. So when you're at this point, you have a basic builder and then you have the advanced one. I use the advanced one. I recommend you're all going to see the basic one. So you're going to have the basic builder. So we go high, and now we go, sorry, not high, we go congratulations. And you can choose this little drop down here and put first name and a fallback as, okay, I don't know. Thanks, first name. And then you want to put like a little, I put a little emoji just to make it unique. Like a little smiley face. People love that. Okay, so you have successfully, unlocked your 5% discount code. Your code is, oh my God, yes, 5 redeemed at checkout. This code only lasts the next 24 hours. Complete your order here. Okay, so what we're doing, and just put like an arrow emoji, I can't be bothered bringing it up right now. But if we put, like let's say the arrow emojis, then your bit.ly.url.com, whatever, and send them to there. But you can also add a button and just say buy now, and I put in brackets 5% off. People like that because it actually it helps with your conversion rates. You're being very specific, okay? And then you put in your website URL. Okay, so you can just put in, I suggest again sending them straight to your product page. I also suggest for this, as another little tip to help with conversions, when you make this discount code, get the shareable link in Shopify. Okay, so if you get that, when you make it, you can actually get a shareable link in Shopify. And if you get the shareable link, you paste in there. It means that it auto applies the discount code at checkout. It means one less thing for them to do, which again means that it builds trust with them and is likely to get more conversion. So, okay, so I put loveofdogs.com and we're done. And that is it. And we go publish. Okay, and that is it. And that concludes today's video on how you can get more sales for free using Facebook ads with this little hack, okay? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. and hit that notification bell. Don't forget to comment down below. Crush it to go in the chance to win one of 2 15-minute coaching calls. We just need 40 comments for that to go ahead. Don't forget as well, there is a new resources page. I've made a resources page for everyone where it has heaps of different links for various apps, various videos. I do live training monthly, and there's even other stuff in there that's all goodies that's designed for you. So it's just in the description down below. Go grab it now. It's completely free. I made it just all for you. Okay, guys, and I love how my subscribers are going up. Thank you so much to everyone who's subscribing. Have a lovely day. Take care and goodbye.